Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to save drawing in Procreate. Before you start the process of exporting your artwork, double check that it's finished and all of your layers are visible. So, you're gonna click the wrench to open the action panel. Now, click the Share tab. Once you've opened the action panel, click on the Share tab. It's the one with the icon of the square and the arrow. Then, choose your desired file format. Now, I really suggest backing up your art as their original Procreate files in case something ever goes wrong with your iPad. I have an article about saving your Procreate work where I go into this in more details, such as PSD, PDF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and layer option. So, choose where you want to export your artwork to. Your new Procreate file needs somewhere to go. There are so many options to choose from. Firstly, you'll see a list of options of apps from your iPad. If you scroll all the way to the end of the list, you'll see a More button. Click on this button to see all of the apps that you can export your Procreate files to. You can also copy your file, send it to the cloud, send it to the iTunes, save your artwork as an image to your iPad, assign it as the profile picture for one of your contacts, print your artwork, save it to the Pinterest, or share it to a shared album. Save it to your files. Then, click on your desired export choice. Wait for it to process and you're done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.